Child labor. These are the contents included in the presentation. Introduction. Child labor refers to the employment of children in any work that deprives them of their childhood, interferes with their ability to attend regular school, and that is mentally, physically, socially, or morally dangerous and harmful. Child labor in India. According to official data, there are around 152 million children worldwide working as child laborers, out of which India accounts for close to 7.3% of that number. Rural India has the highest percentage of child labor, accounting to 80% of the total burden in India. The theme of World Day Against Child Labor 2020 is COVID-19 Protect Children from Child Labor Now More Than Ever. World Day Against Child Labor is observed on June 12th. The day is marked each year to highlight the barbaric practice of child labor. Causes of child labor: poverty, unemployment of elders, orphans, illiteracy, willingness to exploit children, workers' rights are repressed, urbanization, overpopulation. Effects of child labor: growth deficiency, physical injuries and mutilations, pesticide poisoning, long-term health problems, exhaustion and malnutrition, HIV or AIDS, and other sexually transmitted diseases. Solutions to avoid child labor: increased family incomes, education, social services, family control or fertility, eliminate poverty, enforce labor laws, abolish child trafficking, replace child workers by adult workers. Acts and article prohibiting child labor in India. As per the Child and Adolescent Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986, amended in 2016, CLPR Act, a child is defined as any person below the age of 14, and the CLPR Act prohibits employment of a child in any employment, including as a domestic help. Indian Constitution provisions. Article 24, prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. No child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or engage in any other hazardous employment. Conclusion. Child labor is an outcome of various socio-economic problems such as poverty, economic backwardness, illiteracy, and family breakdown. When children are forced to do manual labor, their rights to be denied. It is our responsibility to provide a congenial atmosphere for their development. These are the references. Thank you.